Welcome to Math with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to multiply mixed numbers. And as you can see, there are two multiplication problems on your screen that involve mixed numbers. So let's jump right into number one here and talk about how we do this. Number one here, we have 3 1/3 times 1 3/5. And the first thing we need to do when we're multiplying mixed numbers, we need to change both of the mixed numbers to improper fractions. That way we have a numerator and a denominator and we can multiply straight across. So let's change both these mixed numbers to improper fractions. So I like to think of it as the C method here, where we multiply the denominator by the whole number and then add the numerator. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus that 1 gives us 10. That's our numerator of our improper fraction. We keep the denominator the same, so 3 times 5 times 1 is 5, plus that 3 is 8. Keep your denominator of 5. Now we have a numerator and denominator for both of those mixed numbers. These improper fractions hold the same value as those mixed numbers, it's just a different form. Now we can multiply straight across to get our solution. So 10 times 8 is 80. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, we don't want to leave our answer in the improper fraction form, so we need to convert it back to a mixed number to get our final answer. But 80/15 is our answer. Again, we just need to put it in mixed number form. So we need to do 80 divided by 15. How many whole groups of 15 can we pull out of 80? So I'm going to come down here to the bottom and do a division problem. Some of these you'll be able to do mental math, some you might need to write out. So I know that 15 times 5 is 75. That's how many whole 15s I can pull out of 80. So 75 here, and my remainder is going to be 5. So the whole number for my mixed number is going to be 5. 5 whole 15s can be pulled out of that 80 with a remainder of 5, and I keep my denominator the same, 15. So 5 and 5/15. And we can actually simplify that further, the fractional part of that mixed number. 5/15, 5 and 15 have a common factor of 5, so I'm going to break both of those down, divide them by 5. So 5 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So my final answer would be 5 1/3. Let's take a look at number 2. First thing we need to do, change to improper fractions. So I come around, 4 times 7 is 28, plus that 2 is going to be 30. Keep the denominator of 7 the same, times, come around here, 8 times 2 is 16, plus that 7 is 23/8. Again, when you change the mixed numbers to improper fractions, you're not changing the value of the problem or the mixed numbers in the problem. We're just changing it to a different form. Now we can multiply straight across. So 30 times 23 is going to give us 690. And 7 times 8 is 56. So that's our answer in an improper fraction, but we need to get it back to a mixed number. So we need to do 690 divided by 56. So I'll come over here to the bottom, my workspace, 690 divided by 56. Well, I know that one whole group of 56 can be pulled from 69 here, and I just go through my process. Two whole groups of 56 can be pulled from 130. That gives me 112 with a remainder of 18. So an answer of 12, remainder 18. So that means 12 whole 56 can be pulled from 690, remainder 18, keep my denominator of 56. Now, always check to see if your fractional portion of the mixed number can be simplified to lowest terms. And we have an 18 and a 56, and they're both even, and so they can both be broken down by 2, and that happens to be their greatest common factor, so it's just going to be one step here. So divide both by 2, and I'll have to go underneath again. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 56 divided by 2 is 28. And that's the simplified version. So the answer to number 2 is 12 and 9/28. So there you have it. There's how you multiply mixed numbers. Change to improper fractions, multiply straight across, and then convert that answer back to a mixed number. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.